Tell me the law. Nnamdi Kanu's fiery challenge leaves Justice Omotosho silent in terrorism trial. In a charged courtroom session at the Federal High Court in Abuja, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, directly confronted the presiding judge, Justice James Omotosho, over the legal basis of his ongoing prosecution on terrorism charges. The exchange, marked by Kanu's unyielding insistence on transparency, highlighted the deepening frustrations in a trial that has stretched for years and drawn international scrutiny. The hearing, which began this morning under tight security, centered on Kanu's decision whether to enter a formal defense following the prosecution's closure of its case last month. Kanu, appearing in court without a legal team, having dismissed his lawyers in a bid for self-representation, wasted no time in challenging the foundation of the proceedings. Addressing Justice Omotosho directly, Kanu demanded, "Tell me the law under which I am being prosecuted." The question, delivered with characteristic defiance, echoed his long-standing contention that the charges lack a valid legal predicate under Nigerian law. Justice Omotosho, a seasoned jurist known for his measured demeanor in high-profile cases, did not immediately respond to the query. Instead, he reportedly deferred, stating that the specifics would be addressed at the end of the trial. Unfazed, Kanu pressed further, retorting sharply, "In which law are you trying me?" The pointed follow-up hung in the air unanswered, underscoring Kanu's broader argument that no extant Nigerian statute substantiates the 7-count indictment against him, which includes allegations of terrorism financing, treasonable felony, and incitement related to IPOB activities. The confrontation unfolded as the court grappled with Kanu's no-case submission, filed earlier after reviewing prosecution evidence from 10 witnesses, primarily Department of State Services (DSS) operatives. Kanu has maintained that the case is a sham, predicated on his extraordinary rendition from Kenya in 2021, a process deemed unlawful by the United Nations Working Group on Arbitrary Detention and, in part, by Nigeria's Court of Appeal in 2022, though that ruling was later overturned by the Supreme Court. His international counsel, American lawyer Bruce Fine, had written to Justice Omotosho just days prior, urging dismissal on grounds of jurisdictional flaws, including kidnapping and torture claims. In a pivotal moment, Kanu signaled his intent to enter a defense, but attached a firm condition. The judge must first explicitly cite the applicable law. "I will enter defense," he declared, but the judge must explain in which law he is being tried. This stance aligns with Kanu's repeated assertions in prior hearings that the prosecution's evidence, stricken videos, coerced statements, and unverified reports of IPOB-linked violence, fails to establish a prima facie case. More update coming soon.